Hello. Madam Crustin is here. Yes, I have changed my name. Today it is Madam Crustiness. All because my hair is crunchy. It is hard. And it is straight. So it's right. Yeah, so my hair has been straight for about 3 weeks now, and I straightened it to get a nice 2 braids in it. So she needs some TLC, and I'm going to play with my old friend, my good friend, who is going to bring a coily friend back to life, because crusty friend is alive and doing well right now with being crusty. So here's my friend. She is going to revive my curls and bring them back to life. Catch you in a bit. So here we have all of our tools. We have our bentonite clay, which has many benefits. So this aids to revive your curls. It softens, it elongates your curls, and it'll pull out any toxins you have in your hair. For the cleansing part, you pour in your apple cider vinegar. I use Bragg's because it's probably the strongest. It still has the mother in it. And it reacts to the clay. So when you are using it, make sure you're using plastic or glass. Never use any metal utensils, because it'll mess with the reaction with the apple cider vinegar and the bentonite clay, because it's metal. So here I just mix it until I like it to my preferred texture, and I'm pouring more clay and pouring more apple cider vinegar, because I realized this bowl is small and I have a lot of hair. So now I'm pouring in the avocado oil just to give me a little bit more moisture. Put that back in there so it's not so drying. And I use tea tree oil to help with the scalp. I have itchy scalp. So it just helps because it's anti-inflammatory, antifungal. So yeah. All right. So t-shirt, not a towel. So I wet my hair, and as you can see, when my hair is straight, it takes some time to revert back. Like, I think I gotta do a couple of washes before I can get it back to normal. So instead of waiting for her to get back to normal, we are going to revive her with my pudding. Because it's pudding. What I say, pudding? I would say pudding or yogurt texture. Might be a little thicker, but it's gonna get through. And because I do not like this stuff getting on my nails, because when it dries, it's basically just dirt again. I'm gonna put on a glove. I should put on both. Yeah, I think that's the idea. I'm gonna put on both. And I am going to get started in a second. All right, so I really don't part my hair. I can just put it on sections. And I don't use towels. That was a t-shirt. If I have not brought that up already, actually I'm gonna put that in the sink. might be a little too thick, just a little, but that is nothing water cannot help. Water and moisture. So she's gonna have a little work to do. She's all in, and as you can see, she's already starting to revert back. She's taking a little time in the front. She was straight for a while, but she's reverting back, and then you sit with a cap on. Put my hair up in a cap. Clip her. Look at her coming back. We missed you, girl. Yes, I am all messy and clay. That is the sacrifice I have to make to get my curls back. I will make that sacrifice. Ta-da! Krusty is gone and Curly is back. She is back, and this is her without any products, without even a deep conditioner or anything. This is just the mask and water. I just rinsed her out, and this is what I got. So I think she did a good job, because Krusty and Straight Me, she ain't it. So I'm gonna do a little braid out, and that is how I revive my curls.